Assalamu alaikum guys, what's up, what's going on? In this video I'll show you how to fix the audio Windows audio service is not responding on your operating system. I'll show you how you can fix it, but before fixing this issue, if your audio service is not working or running on background, then you need to watch this video. But lot of people were saying after applying this method, the audio service is, now it's running but it's not responding. Now responding and the running both are different functions. In this video I'll solve the responding issue. If it's not responding, then what you need to do is I'm sorry, just type here the registry and then open it once. Just copy this path. I'll provide link in the description. What you need to do is just go into the H key local machine, then software, then Microsoft, then Windows, then current version, then find devices. Once you here, just right click on it on the folder and then go into the permission. Once you here, simply you need to go into the advanced settings and then simply you can see here administrator desktop. Okay, you need to select only the administrator here. Now how you can select it, simply click on the change option, go into the advanced settings, click on the find now and select here the administrators. Don't go with the administrator, the upper one, go with the administrators. That's it. Hit OK, apply and then close it. Once you have done this, it should be show like this. Like go into the advanced, you can see here now owners, administrators. So mostly when you create a username, it's added in the administrators because it's your default, so it should be in administrators permissions. Now the second thing what you can do here, just click on the Windows icon, then type here the services, open it. Once you open the services, simply you need to find here the window audio service, Windows audio. Make sure it's running. Now it's running, so you will see here two options. One is stop and the second one is restart. You can see here the status, it's running. But if it's not responding, running but not responding, then right click on it, go into the log on. Okay, now you can see I have selected here the local service. Now how you can select it here, if it's not running, then you need to select here the local system account, then allow service to interact with desktop. But a lot of people were questioning that after applying this, it's running but not now responding, so you need to select here again back to your local service. But now how you can select it, simply click here on the browse and then go here into the advanced. Now again find now and select here the local service, as you can see here. Once you select this, click on OK. I'm not gonna do it because already I've set it, so that's why. Now it should be ask for the password. Might be here it will ask you to put your password. Now first of all, put your password. The simple one is login password. It should be automatically fixed it like this. I don't know now what kind of password it's for, but simply you can just type here your login password. It will automatically select this password, and then simply you need to restart your PC. It should be fix your problem. If still you are facing, then let me know. I can try my best using TeamViewer software, but first it will solve your issue. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.